Hi everyone, it's Jared with Heat Press Nation, and I'll be showing you how to install the multi-bypass trays for the Sawgrass SG500 and SG1000. While I'll be presenting this with an SG500 printer, many of the steps shown here will also apply to the SG1000 bypass tray. For anyone looking to print larger sublimation transfers with their Sawgrass printer, you can grab large format multi-bypass trays for either the SG500 or SG1000. With the SG500's bypass tray, you can load longer sublimation paper of up to 8.5 by 51 inches, as well as hold an extra 100 sheets of paper. The SG1000's bypass tray can load sheets up to 13 by 19 inches, accommodate paper up to 51 inches long, and it can also hold 100 extra sheets. Installing the bypass tray onto a Sawgrass printer is very simple. First, attach the guide plate to the lower section of the multi-bypass feeder. Turn off your printer and unplug its power cord. Push in the two gray tabs in the back cover of your printer. Bring the sound cover out with the two eject domes on top. Then push the cover back in. With your bypass tray ready, hold down the large gray buttons on the sides of the tray, line it up, and attach it to the upper half of the back of the printer. Then release the buttons to click the tray in place. Double check if the back cover has fully clicked onto the back of the printer, then plug it back in and turn it on. The next time you print something through Sawgrass Print Manager, you'll now have the option to select the bypass tray and work with larger transfers. The bypass trays for the SG400 and SG800 printers are compatible with the new SG500 and SG1000 printers respectively. For any details or questions about Sawgrass printers and hardware, you can visit our website at heatpressnation.com or call a MyExpert representative at 800-215-0894. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation, and thanks for watching.